Hello everyone, welcome back to the science class once again. Thank you all for watching the previous videos and an additional thank you for staying home. Okay, so what was our topic that we discussed in the last class? Our topic was balanced and unbalanced forces. I hope all of you have understood about balanced and unbalanced forces. So let us do a very short revision on this balanced and unbalanced forces. So what was this balanced forces? When the resultant of all the forces applied is 0, then it was your balanced forces, right now. And what was your unbalanced forces? When the resultant of all the forces are not 0, then it is an unbalanced force, right? This is what your balanced and unbalanced force is. So today we are going to deal with another topic of force, that is today we are going to see the effects of force. Okay, what are the effects of force? So force acting on a body may cause the following effects on it. Number one, a force acting on a body can change its state of motion or rest. A force acting on a body, it can change the state of motion of a body or rest, right? So let us understand it. So for this, let us see the book. A force acting on a body can change its state of motion or rest. A force can make a stationary body move. If an object is stationary, if an object is not moving, okay, then it is called as stationary. So when we apply force to that object, then what is going to happen? That object is definitely going to move, okay. Second one, a force can stop a moving body. If an object is moving, on the application of force, you can stop that moving object and you can bring it to rest, right? Then third one, a force can increase the speed of a moving object. Okay, as an example, an object is moving with a constant speed. On application of force to it, okay, then what can happen? Either the speed will increase or either the speed will decrease. So on application of force, you can or we can change the speed of a moving object. What is the fourth one point written here? A force can decrease the speed of a moving object. As I have explained you in the previous point, you can either increase the speed of a moving object by applying force to it, or you can decrease the speed of a moving object on application of force. I hope you have understood the first point. So a force acting on a body can change its state of motion or rest. Let us see the next one. A force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. A force can change the direction of motion. Change the direction of motion of a moving object. So let us see what is there in your book. There are many activities that show that a force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. During the game of cricket, the batsman changes the direction of moving ball by touching or striking it with the bat at a suitable angle. I hope everyone have seen the cricket game. What happens whenever the bowler delivers the ball, then the batsmen, they try to hit the ball using the bat. So what happened when they try to hit the ball? When they hit the ball, okay, the ball was going toward them, but on application, after being hit with the bat, what happens to the ball? The direction of the ball changes, yes or no? So this is what your force changes the direction of motion of a moving object. Is it clear? Next one. A force can change the shape and size of the object. A force can change the shape and size of the object. Let us understand this with the help of some example. For example, when an inflated balloon is pressed by two hands, its shape and size changes. When an inflated balloon, okay, after filling up a balloon, when you just press that balloon, okay, while pressing, what are you doing? You are applying force to that balloon. What happens? You are changing the shape of the balloon, right? Next one, when a bag of wet floor is pressed, its shape change. In fact, it can be given any shape. The shape of toothpaste can be changed on squeezing. For example, you have a toothpaste tube. When you press that toothpaste tube, then what will happen? Is the shape of the toothpaste tube going to change? Definitely yes. So on application of force, we can change the shape and size of the object. Clear everyone? Then the next one, a force can stop a moving object. If an object is moving, on the application of force, you can stop the moving object. Okay. For example, a fielder catches a moving cricket ball to stop its motion. In the game of cricket, what happens? Whenever the fielder is to stop the ball, after it is being hit by the bat. Okay, what does the fielder do? So since the ball is in moving position, so what happens? How does the fielder stop it? Okay, on the application of force only the fielder stops the moving ball. Then the next one, a force can stop a moving object. Okay, I have written the same point here. A force can change the speed of a moving object. Force can change the speed. A force can change the speed of a moving object. Now, when a force is applied to a moving object, it can change the speed of a moving object. The speed of moving object is increased by pushing it in the direction of its motion. For example, in this direction, this box is being moved. It is being moved by only 2 people. Now you have taken the help of extra 5 more people. So when you apply force to this, previously it was being pushed by 2 people. So the rate at which it would be moving, it would be less as compared to the second case. In the second case, you have taken the help of extra 5 more person. Now what will happen? The speed at which it was being pushed earlier, now after getting the help of additional 5 more people, what will happen? The rate of speed of pushing this object will be more as compared to the first one, right? So a force can change the speed of a moving object. Clear? The speed of moving object is decreased by pushing it in the direction opposite to its motion. For example, an object is moving in this direction. It is already moving in this direction. It have wheels here. Now it is moving in this direction. Now when you apply force from this direction, it will cause in the reduction of the speed, or it may cause the object to come at rest. So this is how your force can change the speed of a moving object. So in the next video, I am going to discuss about the pressure. So till then, stay safe. Thank you.